Discover the top-tier car cameras for diverse budgets with our selection of the 5 best dash cams for 2023. From budget-friendly options to high-end models, these dash cams offer cutting-edge features to capture every moment on the road, ensuring safety and security while driving.
Hi, this is Lee from Nextbase, and this is our groundbreaking 622 GW dash cam, our flagship product with 4K resolution. Let's see what makes this so special. The innovative 622 features 4K resolution, super slow motion, and image stabilization. You are guaranteed the best quality footage. The polarizing filter is inbuilt and ensures no reflection and no glare. The 3-inch touchscreen is incredible for setup and for watching back your footage if you wish. Our exclusive partnership with What3 Words is a world's first, and even offline allows you to locate yourself within 3 square meters. Very, very helpful if you need to contact the emergency services or your friends with your precise location. The dash cam also includes super accurate GPS and Wi-Fi, so wherever you may be, you can pair it with your phone to send your footage to the police, your insurance company, or your friends. And with our innovative emergency SOS feature, in the event of an accident and you being unresponsive, your phone will directly contact the emergency services, even with details like your blood type, and send an ambulance to your precise location. Alexa is built in and allows you to safely interact with your dash cam, whether that be asking for directions, playing music, or controlling the dash cam itself. So let's take a look inside the car. As with all of our dash cams, this features our patented click and go technology, which means within seconds, you can install it and be on your way. So as we can see, our multi-award winning 622 GW is very, very easy to install and attaches and reattaches like so. The cable is very easy to put into your vehicle. It runs around your roof lining and attaches and connects to your in-car power. We always recommend a Nextbase microSD card, and with this particular model, we would always say go for a 128 gigabyte. Our 622 GW is compatible with all of our rear view cameras. Firstly, our cabin camera that records everything within your car. Secondly, we have our rear view camera that uses a telephoto lens to look out the back of your vehicle and record all movement. And finally, we have our rear window camera that adheres to the inside of your rear window. So as you can see, our flagship 622 GW really is the ultimate dash cam.
Let Garmin show you how to pair a Garmin Dashcam Mini 2 with the Garmin Drive app on your compatible Apple iPhone or iPad. In this video, we will be using an Apple iPhone. The Garmin Drive app is required to access camera controls and settings. It also allows you to view saved videos and photos, access live view monitoring, and receive automatic alerts if an incident is detected affecting your parked vehicle while using Parking Guard. You will need your Garmin Dashcam Mini 2, the dual USB power adapter and cable, and your compatible Apple iPhone or iPad. To begin, plug your Garmin Dashcam Mini 2 into the vehicle and have your smartphone within 10 feet of the device. Next, on your compatible Apple iPhone or iPad, locate and install the Garmin Drive app from the App Store. Then, open the Garmin Drive app once the download is complete. The Garmin Drive app will give you the option to allow notifications. Select OK to allow the Garmin Drive app to use Bluetooth. Review and agree to the privacy policy and license agreement before selecting Next. Read the warning and select Agree to continue. Then select Garmin Dashcam Series. The Garmin Drive app will begin searching for your dashcam. Hold down the Save button on your Garmin Dashcam Mini 2 until the LED flashes between blue and red as illustrated by the animation on your phone. Then select Pair to accept the Bluetooth pairing request. Next, press Select an accessory. Then, select the device from the list of Bluetooth accessories. It may take a few moments for your dashcam to appear on the list. You will now need to create or sign into an existing Garmin account. For this video, we will create a new account. This is where you will enter your personal information. Then select Next. Next, you will need to set up two-step verification, which adds an extra layer of protection for your account. Select Continue. You can have the verification sent to your email or in a text message. Enter the code and select Next. Then, read the privacy policy and terms of use and select Continue. Read the information about your personal data before selecting Continue. Garmin can store your saved video clips to the vault so you can access them and securely share with others. Your Garmin Dashcam Mini 2 must be connected to a wireless network to use this feature. Select Activate Vault. Next, select a wireless network you would like your camera to automatically connect to for uploading and easy viewing of video. Select Great once you are connected. And that's it. Thanks for watching.
Siri, I'm being pulled over.
Streaming live video to John.
Have a good day, sir.
Take photo.
mode. Motion detection recording. 8 and event detection recording. 2 occurred. Continuous recording will now start.
If you like the video, please click on the like button, write a comment, and subscribe to my channel.